Now, as many continue cleaning up the damage done by those winds, the Better Business Bureau is warning people about storm chaser scams. This is what they call it when bad actors pressure people into home repairs after a big weather event like this, and instead they end up taking advantage of vulnerable homeowners. Denver 7's Maggie Bryan spoke with an expert about how to spot the red flags and heard from one woman who experienced it all firsthand.
After hurricane-force winds causing damage to properties along the Front Range, the last thing homeowners need is more stress on their plate.
We were kind of scared, and it was sort of stressful.
The Better Business Bureau says they see an uptick in storm chaser scams after severe weather. Megan Conrad with the Bureau says it can happen over the phone or someone showing up to your door, offering home repairs that may not be legitimate.
They'll say hey, I just noticed that you had all this damage from the wind and we're offering a limited time only deal. We really want to help people that have experienced this, but I need you to make a decision right now. I need an upfront payment right now.
She says oftentimes bad actors will disappear with that deposit.
It was almost believable enough.
But in other cases, the red flags may not be that noticeable.
All of these details made it feel so harmless that I took the bait.
Jess Applebaum says back in May, she got a call from a supposed roofing company after a hailstorm in her Lafayette neighborhood.
They were like, hey, we're just in your area, in your neighborhood, working on some roofs. They were like, well, it's just a free inspection. We're just gonna come have some people on the roof, make sure everything's okay, and then we'll head out. What's your home insurance?
She says after pressure from the man on the phone, she agreed to have him come by a few days later.
They never showed up.
They never showed up.
Thankfully, she did not lose any money, but she reported the call to the Better Business Bureau.
People do report that they'll lose anywhere. The median amount was losing anywhere between $1,500 to $2,000.
The organization says do your research on any company before you say yes to an inspection or put down a deposit.
Look at the online reputation overall. Make sure that it is, well, first, a company that exists and is legitimate.
To make sure you don't add another stressor in the aftermath of Colorado weather.
It was a waste of time. It was stressful. And I feel just kind of bad that people are preying on other people.
I'm Maggie Bryan, Denver 7.